Hello, dear students of class 9. Our day's topic will be industry and its types. First of all, let me show you the classification of industries. Industries are classified this way. If you look at the chart, industries are divided into three broad categories. They are primary industry, secondary industry, and tertiary industry. And if you look at the chart, primary industry is again subclassified as genetic industry and extractive industry. Similarly, secondary industries are subdivided into manufacturing industries and construction industries. Now, what is industry? When we say industry, it refers to those economic activities which are connected with the conversion of resources into useful goods and materials. In industry, mechanical appliances and technical skills are used in the process of conversion. Now, moving on to primary industries. Primary industries are those that are engaged in extraction, reproduction, and development of plants and living organisms. So, under primary industries, we have extractive industries and genetic industries. So, what is in extractive industries? So, when we say extractive industries, these industries extract materials from natural resources. Example like taking off woods and timbers from the forest, pieces from rivers and lakes, or seas, minerals from the earth, etc. Next, genetic industries. Genetic industry is also a type of industries under primary industries. So in genetic industries is confined in the rearing of birds and breeding of animals, growing of plants, etc. Some examples are poultry farming, dairy farming, animal husbandry are some of the examples of genetic industries. Now moving on to the second type of industries, that is secondary industries. When we say secondary industries are actually the continuation of primary industries. The materials extracted in the primary states are used in the secondary industries. So these industries take the raw materials produced by the primary sector and then process them into manufactured goods and products. Example of secondary industries includes heavy machine manufacturing, light manufacturing, food processing, oil refining, and energy production, etc. Now, next is manufacturing industries. So, what is done in manufacturing industries is that raw materials are converted into finished products. One example is conversion of cotton into cloth and textiles, or conversion of timber into furniture, etc. are some of the examples of manufacturing industries. So, in manufacturing industries, mainly two types of goods are produced. The first one is consumer goods. Consumer goods are those goods which are ready for final consumption. Example, clothes, soaps, oil, paper, stationery. These are certain goods that you can use it directly. And next type of goods produced in manufacturing industries are producer goods, or we call it as capital goods. So capital goods are like plant and machinery, equipment. All these are producer goods, and they are produced in manufacturing industries. The next type of industries under secondary industries are construction industries. So these construction industries are concerned with construction of dams, bridges, roads, flyovers, etc. One significant feature of this industry is that they deal in construction of immovable goods. Example like bridges, dams, roads, flyovers. These are certain items, or let's say which are undertaken by construction industries, and they are of immovable nature. That is, they won't move. So bridges, dams, roads, flyovers. Okay, these are immovable objects. The industries use the output of other industries, such as raw materials like brick, sand, and cement, iron, and steel. And the last type of industries is tertiary industries. So these industries are those that help in rendering support services to the primary and secondary industries. That means primary and secondary industries are heavily dependent on tertiary industries, because these industries includes transport. That means movement of one goods from one place to the other, or let's say insurance or finance is very important, or same time banking or storage facility, packing, etc. All these are provided under tertiary industries. For your promotional exams, I've prepared certain questions. Let's start with fill in the blanks. Number one is genetic industries are related to dash. That means from the given three options, that is A, B, and C, we have to choose the correct alternative and fill in the blank. Question number two, mining of iron ore from art is included in dash. That means you have to find out the answers from option A, option B, and C. So these two questions are for fill in the blank. Next is state true or false. And I have prepared two more questions based for true or false. The first one is dairy farming is an example of genetic industries. You have to state whether this is true or false. Question number two, plant and machinery are said to be capital goods. So you have to state whether this statement is true or false. Next type of question is very short answers. That means you can answer them in just a sentence. First one is, in which group of industry is extractive industries included? For 1 mark. Question number two, give two examples of construction industries. And question number three, for very short answers is, what is consumer goods? Next, short answer questions. Give 2 points of difference between primary and secondary industries. That means you have to find out two difference between primary and secondary industries. Question number two, name 3 basic raw materials used in construction industries. Question number three, what is the purpose of tertiary industries? Question number four, what are the two classes of goods produced in manufacturing industries? Then question number five, show the relationship between primary and secondary industry. So those are the questions. Prepare them for your promotional exam.